contour in the house. Time to do a little snow tire action. Plus, if you look at that fender, you kind of, oh, help me. That fender has bubbled out a little bit. It has disconnected on the bottom. Thankfully, we have some sheet metal that's perfectly the right gauge, perfectly the right size, perfectly the right, you know. That side's not far behind, so we'll take care of that guy there too. Oil change while we're here. Topping off the fluids, checking out everything. Getting the block heater ready to do block heat. We installed one of those a year or two ago. That video is in the channel. We did a block heater in our 2001 Suburban. And that video gets hits every day. It's evergreen content, as they say in the industry. So, will we get rich off it? No. We can't even buy our own. We have to, I don't know. Hey, battery cleaner. So, back on the road in a jiffy. Snow tires, fresh oil. Thankfully, we have an abundance of oil filters for this guy. They were on sale.
I'm thinking we should put some 2050 or maybe some
Maybe 2050.
maybe some 40 weight.
Maybe some of the HPO, the good stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Or maybe we'll do the Super Tech. Okay. Yeah. Minnesota's Roost.